In this video, I will introduce you to Python. To start with, what is Python? First of all, Python is a high-level, object-oriented language used in various fields like program scripting, component integration, rapid prototyping, database programming, and many more. Python is basically a language optimized for programmer productivity, code readability, and software usability. Python lets you work more quickly and integrate your system more effectively. Basically, the charm of Python lies in its ease of syntax. Syntactically, Python code looks like executable pseudocode. That is, the code written in Python are more readable and smaller than the codes written in other languages. Basically, Python's tool set places it between the traditional scripting languages such as TCL, Perl, etc., and system development languages such as C, C++, and Java. Thus, Python provides all the simplicity and ease of using a scripting language along with more advanced software engineering tools that are found in compiled languages. Now let's see the technical strengths of Python. The very first technical strength of Python is that it is object-oriented. Python is an object-oriented language which provides all the features and functionalities that are supported by any object-oriented language. That is, Python supports polymorphism, operator overloading, inheritance, and serves powerful code structuring. As we know that object-oriented programming is remarkably easy to apply since all the conceptual manipulation or operation is done by using relevant objects made. Next strength of Python is that it is open source. Now Python is developed under an OSI approved open source license, making it freely usable and distributable even for the commercial use. OSI is an open source initiative that allows you to freely use the Python, modify and share it. The license agreement is between the Python Software Foundation and individual or organizations accessing otherwise using this software. The next strength of Python is that it is portable. Now Python can compile and run on virtually every major platform that is currently in use. As a partial list, Python is available on Linux, Unix, Windows, Mac operating system, and Red Hat. Python is also there for cell phones running Symbian operating system, Windows Mobile, gaming consoles, iPods, etc. You can even use Python on tablets and smartphones that are running Google's Android and Apple's iOS. Next strength of Python is that it is powerful. Now Python provides all the simplicity and ease of using a scripting language along with more advanced software engineering tools typically found in compiled languages. Now unlike some scripting languages, this combination makes Python useful for large-scale development projects. And some of the main things that you will find in Python's toolbox are built-in tools, built-in object types, dynamic typing, automatic memory management, library utilities, etc. And from the features perspective, Python can be thought of as hybrid. Next strength of Python is that it is easily mixable. Now Python programs can be easily glued to components in other languages in a variety of ways. For example, Python's C API lets C programs call and be called by Python programs flexibly. That means you can add functionality to the Python system as needed and use the Python programs within other systems. Therefore, Python is also called as the glue language. Next strength of Python is that it is easy to use. Now, as compared to other alternatives like C++, Java, and C Sharp, Python programming is easy to use and astonishingly simple. Now, there are no intermediate compile and link steps like there are for other languages such as C and C++, hence it makes Python easy to implement. Next trend says that Python is easy to learn. Now, when compared to other widely used programming languages, the core Python language is remarkably easy to learn. So, these all were the technical strengths of Python that define that how Python is becoming so popular in today's scenario.